guys, so I'm gonna go out, but let's get some food for my bird. Let's go. First, we're gonna get this one. We're getting this one. This is my bird's food. Look, guys, he wants to eat no. Can I just get this one? Wait, quick! Quick! Okay. Okay, guys, it's done to ano na. So, I'm just gonna open. Okay, so...
Asa pera mo pala kaya na?
Basta.
Hindi ka lang makailangan
Let's
mo.
get.
Kuya, nag-video ako.
Ah! Nice. Too much. It's done. It's done, guys. Let's put it back. Please. Wait. Let's get in the water. Let's put in the water. Wait, wrong. Kuya, kuya! Kuya! May hawak akong tubig! Okay. I think it might fall. Okay, it's done. So let's go outside. Let's go, guys! Bye, kuya. Yeah. Let's go down. Josh! Let's go outside, guys. Let's get my shoes. Then let's get this. Let's go. Let's go to my Lola. So, I'll go to her because go to tindahan. I know they have a store, sari store, I think. So let's go. Just gonna, if there's just no phone that is bubblegum flavor, I'm gonna buy. I see there's a bubblegum, but I'm just gonna choose. So if I get bubble, I know that I want it. Snow foam bubblegum, and if you have fun, I'm gonna give you a part 2. Let's go. Bye-bye, guys. By the way, this is my Lola's.